Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log into your LinkedIn account without password. New trick 2025. First, if you hate typing passwords, here's a fast secure way to sign in password free. Problem in one line: passwords are annoying and easy to forget. Use passwordless sign in instead. Open LinkedIn app or go to linkedin.com in Safari and tap sign in. Next, choose a passwordless option like sign in with continue with Apple or continue with Google. Let's say continue with Apple, and then pick the one you originally used and then click sign in. It will require for Apple, Google approve the sign in with Face ID or Touch ID or the account prompt you're in. For email, tap send link, open the email on your iPhone, tap the magic link and LinkedIn will sign you in. For passkeys, if shown, tap use passkey, authenticate with Face ID and register the passkey for future passwordless logins. Privacy tip: only enable passwordless methods on your personal device and keep your Face ID/Touch ID plus iCloud keychain secure. Never accept login prompts you didn't start. Quick fix: if it does not work, update the LinkedIn app, clear Safari's cookie, restart your iPhone and try the login to Safari private tab. If it's still stuck, use forget, and that's it. Subscribe for more.